MG ZS 2024 Review. When you look at the competition, it quickly becomes clear that the MG ZS faces a tough challenge. The compact SUV segment is filled with excellent rivals, all of which are comfortable, well-designed, and well-equipped. In particular, the entry-level model looks like great value for money. As well as its main competitor, the Nissan Juke, several other European models are also worth considering. These include the Citroën C3 Aircross, Peugeot 2008, Renault Captur, and Seat Arona. The Vauxhall Crossland is also a strong contender. Additionally, the Korean models Kia Stonic and Hyundai Kona should not be overlooked. Premium design. All eyes are drawn to the MG ZS as it glides down the road, thanks to its sleek and modern exterior design. Starting with the leopard-shaped shoulder line of the car, which gives it a modern look, there are the London-style headlights, which include LED lights and daytime running lights, providing better visibility for the driver. MG ZS has chrome accents on the premium grille, swept-back headlights, and many other features. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in the world of technology and innovation. Interior. The interior of the MG ZS is undoubtedly a high-tech vehicle, as the range of smart features included in this model is not comparable to its price. With numerous options available on the steering wheel to give you complete control over the car, including an 8 touchscreen, steering wheel controls, a rear-view camera, Apple CarPlay, and much more, the MG ZS ensures that you have everything you need to stay connected and in control while driving. Additionally, the MG ZS boasts the largest armrest available to ensure the comfort and convenience of its passengers. Engines, performance, and drive. The MG ZS offers a comfortable and quiet ride. The engine is designed to provide a smooth and easy driving experience. With a 1.5-liter engine, it can travel up to 100 kilometers with only 5.8 liters of fuel, giving it excellent fuel efficiency for its class. This efficient engine delivers a maximum power of 119 horsepower and 150 newton-meters of torque at 5,600 revolutions per minute. Price and models. The price of the new MG ZS for the 2024 model year starts at $15,000 and goes up to $22,000, depending on what options you choose. Here's a quick breakdown. The basic model is $15,000. If you want some extra luxury, it'll be around $18,000. Add an automatic transmission and it's $20,000 for the basic model, or $20,500 for the luxury model. And if you want the 1.0T engine with all the bells and whistles, it's going to be $22,000. Safety. Not only are the finest details of the exterior what makes this car exceptional, but its safety is also worth noting. The MG ZS has a reinforced body structure made with 70% high-strength steel, which ensures the safety and protection of passengers. The safety features in this model are designed for families, as they ensure their safety with numerous braking systems, such as ABS, EBD, ESP, CBC, HHC, and TCS, which enable great control over the car. In addition, there is the Child ISOFIX option, which provides additional safety for children. All in all, this car is a great guardian for you and your loved ones. Please feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in the world of technology and innovation. Until next time, remember to keep your eyes on the road and your mind on the future. Drive safely and stay curious.
Buckle up for a thrilling ride into the future of electric mobility with the all-new 2024 MG ZS EV. This compact SUV isn't just about sleek design and a comfortable ride, it's about embracing a sustainable lifestyle without compromising on performance or practicality. Imagine gliding through city streets or cruising along scenic highways, all while leaving a lighter footprint on the environment. The 2024 MG ZS EV empowers you to experience the excitement of electric driving with its cutting-edge technology and impressive range. Before moving forward, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Whether you're a seasoned EV driver or just starting your journey towards a greener future, the 2024 MG ZS EV offers something for everyone. It's packed with innovations that make everyday driving a breeze. Stay connected with the world through the intuitive infotainment system, while advanced driver assistance features, depending on variant, provide an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. The 2024 MG ZS EV isn't just about efficiency, it's also about practicality. The spacious interior offers ample room for passengers and cargo, making it the perfect companion for your daily errands, weekend getaways, or even a road trip adventure. Design. The 2024 MG ZS EV isn't just about going green, it's about turning heads while you do it. This compact SUV boasts a modern and sleek design that perfectly embodies the spirit of electric mobility. Imagine cruising down the street in a car that looks as good as it feels to drive. MG has revamped the ZS EV's exterior for 2024, giving it a sharper and more sophisticated look. Gone is the deep concave grille of previous models. A sleek enclosed design now dominates the front fascia, with the MG logo prominently displayed in the center. The charging port has been conveniently relocated to the left side of the logo for easier access. The front bumper has also been redesigned, sporting a more aggressive look with a larger central air dam flanked by vertical intakes on either end. Sharp lines and striking LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights define the ZS EV's profile. Expect to see 17-inch alloy wheels with a fresh design, adding a touch of sportiness to the overall look. The rear of the car hasn't been neglected either. New taillights and bumpers complete the refresh, maintaining a sense of coherence throughout the vehicle's design. Interior. Imagine stepping into a cabin that feels spacious and airy, thanks to clever design choices and the possible inclusion of a panoramic sunroof that bathes the interior in natural light. The overall aesthetic is likely to be clean and contemporary, with high-quality materials that are pleasant to the touch. The driver's seat will be your command center, featuring a well-designed steering wheel with integrated controls for easy access to audio, cruise control, and essential driving functions. The instrument cluster is likely to be a combination of analog dials and a digital display, providing a clear and informative view of vehicle data. Taking center stage on the dashboard will likely be a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system. The exact size and features will depend on the chosen trim level, but expect smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for seamless connectivity. SP platform. The next-gen MG ZS EV should ride on the modular scalable platform, SP, of the MG4 EV. SP is a new rear-wheel drive platform SAIC has developed exclusively for EVs, and it allows an ADD drivetrain layout as well, with an additional motor mounted on the front axle. It is flexible and suitable for wheelbases between 2,650 and 3,100 millimeters. Battery and range. MG may launch the 2024 ZS EV with a 64 kilowatt-hours nominal battery pack that delivers a WLTP range of over 250 miles and a 77 kilowatt-hours nominal battery pack that returns a higher WLTP range of around 300 miles. While the current model has a 2.6-meter wheelbase, the next-gen ZS should come in at 2.7 to 2.8 meters. The batteries should be thinner and may allow a flat floor. With these improvements, expect the next-gen ZS EV to be more spacious for rear seat passengers and luggage. The next-gen MG ZS EV should become a bespoke EV based on the modular scalable platform. MSP. Significantly better space and performance are on the card. Motor and charging. The next-gen ZS EV may come with one or two single-motor powertrains producing up to 150 kilowatts, 201 buck, and 250 Nm, 184 pounds. Tough torque. If MG is feeling playful, a dual-motor performance variant with a system power of 320 kilowatts, 429 HP, and a system torque of 600 Nm, 443 pounds, may be available later on. We say this as the platform is capable of high specification, and the same is available in the MG4 EV X-Power. The performance variant could be called MG ZS EV X-Power. X-Power moniker carries a legacy of performance and sportiness within MG. The company reintroduced the X-Power name in May 2021 with the performance version of the MG6. The highest charging power could be 11 kilowatts. Expect a typical 10 to 80% DC fast charging session to take close to 30 minutes. Price and release date. Speaking about MG's 2024 launches at a recent event, Lu Jiajun said that the company will focus on electric models in the second half of the year. Thus, we think that the next-gen MG ZS EV may debut earlier. Guy Pagaunakis, the commercial director at MG's UK subsidiary, said that the company will replace all its models in the country, except for the recently launched MG4 EV, by the end of 2024, as per an Autocar report dated November 28, 2022. The next-gen MG ZS EV could start arriving at UK dealerships in the second half of 2024. Positioned above the MG4 EV, the all-new compact SUV may retail at prices in the GBP 32,000 to 40,000 range. Top Electric CV says, the next-gen MG ZS EV should be bolder, more digitalized, safer, and perhaps a better value-for-money electric SUV. As a dedicated EV, it should offer significant performance and space improvements over today's car. Considering it is priced at around GBP 30,000, it could be an attractive option for electric SUV buyers looking for a cheap and spacious runabout, and could pose a serious threat to the Korean models. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.